friends, welcome back to my new video. Today in this video I gonna show you to change font color of command prompt in Windows. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, Education by C-Boy, to get latest updates. So let's go and start the video. So press Windows plus R button, then type CMD, then click on OK. Now CMD will open, then make full screen, and type color 1. Then you can see that your font color changed into blue. Again type color 2, then font color changed into green. So now to know all color codes, type color and then type and 3 or 4 digits number. Then you can see here that all the codes are given. I hope that you can understand that how to change font color in CMD, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, at last try some more codes.